Mariana Price here. I'm from Empower Academy, and I've got today Thepiso here. Thepiso is a student at the academy, and they learn how to cook and bake, and we do skills development training with them. Well, Thepiso, welcome.
Welcome, gentlemen.
Yes. Thepiso, tell me more about what you're going to cook for us today, because I see an amazing recipe there on the screen.
Okay, today I'm making an Empower Moringa Lasagna.
Empower Moringa Lasagna. Moringa is the awesome ingredient in that. So what have you got as ingredients in your lasagna?
I've got a packet of lasagna sheets.
Yes.
I've got the cream.
Yeah.
I've got a packet of mushroom salt.
Soup powder. Yes. Mushroom soup powder.
Yes, I've got tomato and onion mix.
Yes.
I've got fresh or dried. It's fresh and other dried moringa leaves.
Yes.
I've had mince, not chicken, but you can use chicken as well.
No.
I've got origanum.
Origanum. Yes.
Yes, and I've got the grated cheese.
Awesome.
Then lastly, it's salt and pepper.
For taste.
Yeah.
Amazing. So let's have a look at this. Moringa lasagna, and the students do it with passion. Am I right?
Excellent.
Major passion that they cook with. They love it. They love doing. They're Moringa ninjas of the academy, and they're doing amazing work. They're teaching also other students and people from the public how to use herbs and moringa. And the academy is really built on the Empower, is a moringa power. That's why it's called Empower, because it's not just moringa empower. We empower the mind, the body, the soul. So moringa really helps to bring all of that together, and that's why we're empowering our students. Let's see health value of moringa. Now, moringa is grown in many areas and are a super nutritional tree. And look at those luscious leaves. Don't you like it, eh? It's awesome.
Yeah,
it's healthy. They look good. They look like they can do something good for your body. Now, what else is there in the moringa?
Moringa is high in certain important vitamins and minerals.
Awesome. Yes.
Moringa is a protein.
A protein. Wow. That builds muscles, eh?
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
And moringa is rich in antioxidants.
Yes, and antioxidants, they take all the bad stuff out of your body.
Yeah.
They make sure your body stays healthy behind.
Yeah.
And in moringa?
Moringa helps towards many illnesses.
Yes, many illnesses. Even to build your immune system. Right now, we're all looking at how can we build our immune system. How can we become stronger in our bodies, healthy, and look after it so we can be strong enough to fight these viruses that's going around. And yes, let's see what are you doing with your lasagna, because I'm so looking forward to this. I tasted one you made the other day and it was so delicious. Let's see what's happening here.
Well, I've started with spraying the baking container with oil, cooking oil.
Yes, we're going to bake it into the big baking bowl. Yes. Yeah.
Then I've made bulkness of fried onions, garlic, oregano, and thyme to taste.
And that is a bolognese. So, you know, the bolognese is also where we use it with other pastas. We call bolognese spaghetti bolognese, because you can use the same mixture to put on top of your spaghetti. You can put it onto pasta. You can make also like a lovely layer pasta dishes. But this one with the lasagna is thin. It is thin base that you're using, but now you fried it beautiful. You given it flavor. And then what did you do that? What did you do after that?
I've added sauté onions and brown beans.
Yes.
Then I've added pepper and salt.
Yes.
Tomato and onion mix.
Yes, the tomato and onion mix. And that we call a puree.
That's a puree.
But this one is not a fine, simmered too far to be like a tomato sauce. We still left it before it becomes like a tomato sauce. And you can even leave a little bit of onion and the tomato, so it's got a little bit of crunch. So when you eat your lasagna, that you feel that there is texture there.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Then I've added a half cup of water.
Yes.
Then added moringa leaves.
Awesome. Doesn't that look healthy in the center there?
Yeah.
It looks so healthy.
That's right.
Yes.
Then I simmered it to reduce.
Yes. You simmer it to reduce a little bit so that the water evaporates. So when you spread it, on top of your lasagna sheets, then it's not going to be watery.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to cut into it and to become, you want it to be stable. You want it to be a nice consistency.
Yeah.
But you see on the left-hand side, what's that? That's our moringa tea.
Yeah, I see.
And we love moringa. Am I right? We love to drink our moringa tea. Cheers on your dish. Cheers. My students love moringa tea. Now, the moringa tea that we make is a moringa blend. We grow our own moringa. We grow the lavender that goes in it. It's also South African lavender, especially grown for our circumstances here, our temperatures. And then I add rooibos. And rooibos is also typical South African. So it's a very South African tea that I make. And we add mint into our tea as well. And that gives the freshness of the tea. And that is really empowering for our students to drink every day. And what did you do then?
Then I've mixed the mushroom powder with cream.
It's a mushroom soup.
Yeah, mushroom soup powder with cream.
Yes.
Then I stir it till it becomes a thinner.
Whisk it a little bit with a whisker because it's easy to whisk it. But remember, you didn't make it too thick. Because if it's too thick, then you can't spread it properly.
Yeah.
And you don't want to make like strawberry and cream muffins at the moment. We're going to just want a little sauce that goes over the mince. Okay, and what did you do?
Then I've done the mince mixed cream. After that, I laid my the lasagna sheets on the baking container.
Yes, that was already sprayed before the time.
Then I dropped 2 tablespoons of mince.
Yes, and those are big spoonfuls.
Yeah.
So you can cover the whole, all the whole sheets that's lying there, so that it can be a nice spread and nice and tasty layer.
Yeah.
And on top of that, what did you put there?
Before we get to the top, I've just spread the mince with the back of the spoon.
Yes.
Then on top, I put the mushroom soup, the one I make with cream.
Oh, absolutely, because that brings in flavor into your dish. So you've done layers.
I've done layers.
How many layers do you put? 3 layers.
3 layers.
Awesome. So you're going to actually taste it. But you know these lasagna sheets? In our future classes, we're going to make moringa lasagna. Moringa sheets. Yes, we're going to make lasagna sheets, and we're going to make moringa pasta as well. Because moringa is beautiful. This one is a spinach lasagna. So it's not just the pasta. You actually add in some value. You add in extra power. And we are going to teach you in the next classes how to make the beautiful moringa lasagna. And that will even be stronger because remember, the moringa is stronger than spinach.
Yeah.
It's got more iron than what the spinach has got. So it means that it will be healthier. Now, it's just a pity we couldn't do it now because we're in this period where we can't find all our supplies. Let's look at the next one. Yeah, look at that. That is so awesome. It is yummy. It's very yummy. What did you do with it?
Well,
After you've made your layers.
After I made my layers, I just grated cheese on top.
Yes.
And after grating cheese on top, I put more moringa leaves in it.
Yeah, for more power, more energy, more immune system building.
And decoration as well.
Yes. Awesome.
And from there, I put it into my baking oven.
Yes.
For half an hour at 180 degrees.
Awesome. So I didn't bake for long. It's a very quick dish to make.
Yeah.
And simple and easy to make. And it is
delicious and nutritious.
Delicious and nutritious.
And you can freeze it also to build up a stock or sell healthy delicious meals from Empower.
Yes, so you can make money out of it. So it's not just a health meal, it can also bring money in for you. Because if you bring money in, that's sustainability. Yeah. And that's what we're teaching at the academy, is to be sustainable. Yeah. We teach you the skills to learn how to be healthy, how to grow things, and how to make a good life in the end of the day. And well done. You did a good job. I enjoyed what I tasted. And we hope that you can encourage other people out there, young youth, to also go out and learn about cooking with moringa. Because you did a great job. Well done.